So we're reversing the distributive property. 8x and 4y have a common factor if you were to pull out a 4 from each of those monomials. If you were to pull out a 4 from each of those monomials, you can have the expression 4 plus or times the quantity 2x plus y. In a different way, we have 3x plus 9. And what we're going to do is we're going to do something called upside down division. Because normally how division would be, if we were dividing, it would look like that, but it's upside down for this one. By looking at this, is there a common factor that we can divide both of those monomials by? Yeah, 3. So if we were to divide 3x divided by 3, we'd have an x left. And the way that works, that we'll see in the future, is you can also do that written, don't write that top part. But if we had 3x divided by 3, those guys cancel each other out, you just have an x left. And then we had 9 divided by 3 is what? Yep, 3. So now my expression is going to be 3 times the quantity x plus 3. Oops. The way that we did it yesterday was we factored each monomial and found a common factor the same way that we did with the first half of this lesson. But this is a lot more work than what we just did. So here's 12x plus 7y. If I was to try to use upside down division, if I were to find a common factor at all with 12x and 7y, there's nothing there. There's no common factors of 12 and the prime number 7. So I can't take anything out. And what you would write is cannot be factored. There are two questions on the homework that say cannot be factored. I'm telling you that because when we had an option to have write the word simplified on your combining like terms, a lot of students were just writing simplified on so many of them. So I'm telling you there are only 2 in the homework that cannot be factored. So let's use upside down division for 4x minus 28. What's a common factor of 4x and 28? Yep. 2. Okay, we can try 2. We could also do 4. I'm going to show you how they both would work. Okay? We'll do 2 first. 4x divided by 2 is 2x minus 14. But these two also have a common factor. 2 x minus 7. So in this situation, you would multiply these two together. So you'd have 4 times the quantity x minus 7. Now, if I did do the 4 first off, I'll show you how that would look. If I realize that I can do a 4 right away, I have x, 28 divided by 4 is 7. And look, there it is right there again. 4 times the quantity x minus 7. This is going to be, well, yeah, if you can, in your head, find out a common factor, or if you can use a calculator to find out a common factor faster, yeah. For this one, 3x plus 33y. 3 is a prime number, and I can see right off the bat that 3 is going to go into 33y. This leaves x plus 11y. So I come out with 3 times the quantity x plus 11y. Ooh. Oh, my blue students aren't going to be too mad at me when they see this, if they see it. $4x and 35. 4 is a pretty low number. 35 is a higher number that's odd. But they cannot, yeah. Because if we do 35, and if I were to factor it in my head, yeah.
So we're doing the same thing here that we were doing on the last page?
This is building off of that for the prime factorization of the monomials and comparing them.
On the homework is what we're doing right now. So we were building up to this.
We were building up to this, yes.
This will be this is what
Both of the factoring of monomials, find the greatest common factor of monomials, is the first half of your homework. The second half of your homework is the is this. Yeah. Yep.
So what if we put our homework before the questions cannot be factored, but then you notice that can be factored? Like, we take a one off, then that's one.
Well, you would erase cannot be factored, right?
So like let's say on a problem that can be factored, but we just don't.
Then that would be a wrong answer. Just because I'm shooting a video or recording a video right now, we're going to do 5 and 6, and then I'm going to stop the video, and we'll go back and do 2 and 3. So if I'm trying to find a common factor of 4 and 9, 4 is a pretty low number. And that one, yeah, just even looking at it cannot be factored. Cannot be factored again. You know, we will do 4. We will do 4 because they didn't get it yesterday. 36x plus 24. Okay, you see 12? Yeah, that's going to be the highest number that you can do. 12, that's going to be a 3x plus 2. So I had 12 times 3x plus 2. Because there's no factors that I can take out of 3x. Or 3x and 2 don't have any common factors. This is the greatest common factor of these ones. Right there, 12. Yep. Oops. For this one, 14x minus 16y. We could do 2. Let's try 2. 7x minus 8y. 7x and 8y don't have any common factors. So it's 2 times the quantity 7x minus 8y. Ew. Whoa. Sorry.